Headed north with the boys. At least the ones who aren't afraid to ask their wives if they can go snowmobiling. Headed north about, I don't even know what time it is, 5:30. Gonna head her up to the UP, do some ripping. We got a full load of, we got some wood and snowmobiles, and yeah, headed north. Huge crash up in Wausau. We'll see what happens there, but stay tuned. Gonna be beers, braps, and that's about it. Beers, braps, and boys. That's about it. Stay tuned. Well, I don't know if you can see it that well, but it is snowing to beat the band here, and we're about an hour into it. Just starting to accumulate, and it is blowing, and it is snowing, and it is a damn good squall coming through.
Holy shit.
So, yeah, stay tuned. Keep you updated. Hear from Radar Ronnie, Doppler Donnie. Call me what you want. We are down to a crawl. This is a little update here. We are, Hunter, about half an hour away?
We are 20 minutes out from the land. Had to stop, get some bushies, check on the straps.
Check the straps, and we are in the middle of a it's a fucking blizzard.
So we're
There's no
gonna
other way to put
get
it.
to the land,
Shut
do
up,
some
dude.
fucking plowing,
What's her name?
and we are gonna get this motherfucker set in there for the night and turn the camper on because it's cold.
It's cold. It's time to warm up. This truck, I don't know what's up with this truck, but the heater does not work great. Hunter doesn't have a bra on the front of this thing. And yeah, so about half an hour out.
Huh?
Neither does
Headed north.
Neither does the wife.
In a deep snowstorm right now. Had to get out, grab a couple more essentials. Should be there soon.
It's a fucking blowing and a snowing.
Hopefully this is plowed.
Nope,
Yep.
nope.
Don't try and make the turn. You can always back up. Always.
Oh, you've been slacking on slowing down the part.
I know.
Seriously, dude, do you want me to drive? I'm only
You know what?
update. A little hungover. and stuck. Just got done digging out mine, Hunter's. Now we got Chachi down here.
It's in the fucking rhubarb.
We are a bit in the rhubarb. Oh, good God. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh, boys. Need a set of snowshoes.
If it weren't for that stump, I'd have made it out of here.
Oh, beautiful day. Little update. Got it out. She's buried. Can't flip this phone around. What a pile. Up in the bluffs. Not realizing how out of shape we are.
We need
Until
to
now.
hit the fucking gym.
Definitely need to hit the gym.
Too many fucking bush lights.
Yeah, grab a water. Grab one for me. But good day so far. Snow is deep. For Upper Peninsula at least. I mean, shit. What more do you want? All right?
Hell yeah, for the boys.
Well, we're trying to teach Luke how to grab a handful of throttle. And he said, oh, like I grabbed that pussy? And I said, yeah, grab it. And he grabbed about half a handful of throttle, so I don't know what his girlfriend thinks, but now he's buried, dick in the dirt. I'm gonna go over there and just ride it out for him.
I figured it was just some push pins.
First time on a sled, not bad, not bad. Give her, pin and wiggle. Get on that fucking sled. We got Hunter unstuck. I don't think I'm stuck. I was stuck over here, Chachi. And I don't know if you can see Luke, but he's buried over there. We gotta go save him. Thing's a tank. Boys, what do you think? Should we just leave and go to the bar? He'll figure his way out.
Leave the fucker till spring.
We pick him up on the way out, leave the Apex till spring.
Tell Dave to come get it.
We'll come get it with the four-wheelers.
Drop a pin.
We'll bring back up tomorrow and put the covers on. Put the cover on it. Here lies our friend Casey's snowmobile. R.I.P. Casey. I wish you were here, buddy. Almost a wrap for the trip. We got what? 30 minutes? 20, 30 minutes back. Great trip. All the boys had a good time. A couple beers, we were done riding. Had an awesome time riding. Lots of snow. We are beat as shit. Time to get home to our families. But, as our first YouTube video, when we hit 10,000 subscribers, or if this video gets 100,000 views, this guy is giving away his snowmobile to one lucky winner. You heard it here first. What day is it? February
20th.
It's February 20th, 2022. Whatever sled he has at the time, if we hit those numbers, he's giving it away. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll enter you in there. You heard it here. Thanks for watching. Till next time, probably spring trip will be our next one. We're gonna do an April ride or whenever the snow starts melting. They got a pile of snow up there, so stay tuned. Maybe we'll give it away sooner. I don't know. Probably gonna get like 10 views, but you never know. Peace.